Colorful cute kids. Hello, dear kids. Today, let's explore the ocean together to see what animals we can find. In this video, we'll draw an octopus, a dolphin, and a turtle. First, I'll draw a cute octopus with adorable eyes.
The wheels on the bus. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish.
Do you know how many legs an octopus has? That's right, 8 legs. Our kids are very smart.
The wheels on the bus.
Now, I'll draw a turtle with big, round eyes like this. The turtle shell is like a tiny house for it. Isn't that wonderful?
Beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town.
Finally, I'll draw a dolphin. Dolphins are very friendly and close to humans. Have any of you seen a dolphin in real life? Like this video if you have seen a dolphin in real life. Thank you so much.
People on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down.
Now, let's color our drawing to make it more vibrant. First, let's color the dolphin.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man.
Now, let's color the turtle.
The Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man.
Finally, let's color the octopus. Look how cute it is in pink.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
At my house, I have a very cute dog and a cat. Let's draw them together. First, let's draw the adorable corgi with ears like this.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N,
Next to it, I'll draw the cat with sparkling eyes like this. Cats and dogs are very close friends of mine. They are always by my side when I'm happy or sad.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know
has colored their two little friends. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, kids. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.